things are slow. So anyway, enough ranting and complaining. I bought some mandrel U-bends, all 3-inch, from these guys. They're in Southern Ontario. Took a chance on them. Did a lot of searching for mandrel bent tubing, and lo and behold, I found a place nowhere near me. Ontario is huge. Texans think that Texas is the biggest place on earth, and it fits in Ontario like 3 times. But got here within a couple of days. Excellent service, excellent pipe. I'm going to get back to them. I kind of guessed at what I needed, but I forgot to order 2.5-inch because the muffler I'm going to be using is a MagnaFlow. If it sounds like every other MagnaFlow I've had, I'm going to love it. They're kind of straight through, but yet don't have that glass pack tone. So anyways, it's a single 3-inch out because I'm going 3-inch from the turbo back all the way down. And single 3-inch in, and dual 2.5 out. It'll mount where the original mounted. That's the one I took out of there. That was a walker. And I welded one of the passenger side inlet back on to give me an idea of how the curves are working. But I'm going to try mounting the new one upside down with the inlet at the top and the outlets at the bottom, because to me it makes more sense in both directions. I should need fewer bends to get in, and coming out it should be quite a bit straighter, because as they come out, as they are right now, I'm trying to do this with a bump shoulder. So here's how it kind of hangs. That's level, and immediately kicks down that much. Was that a good 10 inches maybe? At least 8. So why not give myself a 5.5-inch head start there by just flipping it upside down. So, and same as at the top. So that's where we are. And I have not seen a whole lot of good examples of people using mandrel bends correctly on YouTube. I mean, it's sad. The whole point of mandrels is they keep their the diameter is consistent as long as you cut it. No, you don't cut it. If you cut it like this here, yeah, you're going to get an oval. But you always cut. What's the point? What am I looking for? Perpendicular, pie cut, whatever you want. And then you butt weld, so you can turn, twist. You can do everything. But I see people using these and, oh, this is too sharp, and so instead they'll cut on an angle here and try to kick it. I'm like, God grief. And then they buy all these adapters so they can clamp everything. I'm like, God, no, you keep welding, butt welding flush. I've built a number of exhaust systems with mandrel bends, and never have I run across mandrel bends of this thickness and quality. So this is going to be a treat. This is just their mild steel. They advertise or call themselves a stainless exhaust company, but stainless is harder to cut, a little bit trickier to weld. I'm doing this just with my MIG. I can weld stainless. I have to go with my brother's and use his TIG, and that's cool. But I mean, that Walker system was over 20 years old. Still wasn't, it looked rusted, but it still had rotted out. So at less than half the price, I'm going with mild steel, and it's heavy. I like heavy wall. It'll be quieter. 3 inches all the way through. So I'm going to be cutting these hangers. I'm calling them original, but original style hangers, and welding one of them up here, and the other one I'm going to have to build an extension up here, hang it there. So I'm going to hang the muffler from the original hangers, and then just slowly start working my way around with the U-pipes. So I'm starting at the muffler and working my way towards the turbo. And that's what we'll do. when I start cutting and welding, I'll come back in and do updates as I go. It's been a while. I thought I should put something up, show that I'm still alive. I've been sick. No, didn't have COVID. Got tested. This was down with something pretty strong and knocked me on my ass big time. And took out my shoulder, I think, from sleeping so awful. But everything down here still looks good, solid. Interior is starting to get junky. So that's become and I got my panels in. Yay! So got all my brake parts, all new shoes, wheel cylinders, all the spring kits, the hangers. So we're going on 8 minutes here, 7.5 minutes. Still here. Thanks for hanging out. We're gonna cut some tubing and do some welding soon. Good. Take care.